Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up parental controls on YouTube Kids to create a safe viewing environment for your children, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize content and manage settings. Step 1. Download the YouTube Kids app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your device. Step 2. Open the YouTube Kids app and tap Get Started. Step 3. Select whether you are a parent or a child using the device and follow the prompts to create a profile. Step 4. Choose your child's age range to ensure they see age-appropriate content. Step 5. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner, then select Parental Controls. Step 6. Set a custom passcode to prevent your child from changing the settings. Step 7. Choose the content level, preschool, younger, or older, depending on your child's age. Step 8. Enable or disable search functionality, set a timer to limit screen time, and block specific videos or channels as needed. Your YouTube Kids app is now set up with parental controls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.